I want to talk about selling print on demand on Etsy, and I want to work backwards from a sale. Why did somebody buy our product? I'm going to start with, they probably liked the design. Okay, they liked the design, and the design was in the specific niche that they were interested in. Above that, in the logic tree, we probably sold that design in that niche on the product type they were looking for. Okay, so we've got the design, we've got the niche, and we've got the product type. Check, check, check. 3 in a row, and it resulted in a sale. Of course, there's more that goes into it. SEO, price point, how did we market it? Did we make them a compelling offer that they couldn't refuse? All those things. But I don't want to focus necessarily on those in this video. I want to think of the sale as a logic tree that starts at the top with product type and see what types of products, print-on-demand products, of course, are selling well on Etsy today, and then we'll kind of drill down into the niches and the designs from there. So if you're ready, let's get to it. To get started, we need to figure out who's going to be fulfilling our print-on-demand orders. I'm going to go ahead and recommend a company I've been using since 2017 in Printful. Okay, they not only integrate with Etsy, but also other popular marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, just to name a few. So if you go to Printful's product catalog, which you can access on the left-hand navigation, and if you don't have an account, you can join for free using my link in the description, you can then browse hundreds of products, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and, why don't we just start with a classic coffee mug, right? I'm sure coffee mugs sell on Etsy, but if we are starting at a very high level and just wanna get an introductory look at where the potential lies in selling coffee mugs on Etsy, I want to recommend Alura's new product research tool. So Alura has had a suite of tools for Etsy sellers for years, and they've just continuously added to it things like the profit calculator, AI templates. You can save your previous research. They've got keyword research and the new product research. They also have a Chrome extension, which functions very similarly to Jungle Scout for any of my FBA sellers from back in the day for Etsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and click product research, and it's gonna pull from its database of millions of Etsy products and allow us to query it. Okay, so we talked about selling coffee mugs. So in the search for a specific product, the search bar, I'm gonna type in coffee mug 11 ounce. Okay, because we have the 11 ounce, we also have the 15 ounce. I think the 11 ounce is more popular. We have the ability to query on other things like sales, like how many monthly sales or all-time sales, revenue, price, the category of the product, how many reviews it has, and additional details as well. We can even query by specific Etsy shops if we'd like to. I'm gonna go ahead and use just the standard search filter and query that we should have at least 50 lifetime sales. You can do the monthly sales, but keep in mind that that metric moves based on time of year, so it may not give you an accurate representation of the potential. So it looks like we have the first one, a personalized mug called a motivation mug. It says, "You've got this." Then it says Kate's mug of motivation, where Kate's can be customized to anybody's name. Love that. Price point $14, been active since 2019. So that's a nice example of a mug that you could potentially sell on Etsy. They've also got some tumblers. They've got travel mugs here. Not exactly what we were looking to sell, so you're gonna have to scroll past some of them. Caffeine mug, looks like, what is that? Coffee chemistry, so it's like the caffeine molecules. DNA mug, 20 ounce, so 20 ounce mug. Looks like the bigger mugs might actually be more popular. Forest and trees mug, 20 ounce. Insect mug, 20 ounce. Personalized US Army veteran. Okay, so personalized plus Army veteran could be a niche. Some custom mugs there shaped like pumpkins. Love that. Another Halloween. Oh, it's a mock-up. Okay, that's a product mock-up there. Some Donald Trump stuff. Sweet home. Okay, so you can personalize where you are from. It looks like that's USA plus Germany in that one. By the way, if you want to see additional information into any of these, you can just click it and it'll pop up in the sidebar over there on the left-hand side. You can see things like the total sales. This mug has 79 sales and has done almost $1,700 in revenue. You can see things like view count, favorites, listing age, 279 days, the price point, the conversion rate, converting at a really high rate, 7.7%. Love that. So all those are available. So in summary here, I just wanted to show you, like, we don't need to get that granular. It looks like coffee mugs sell on Etsy, okay? So we can jump back over and say, what's something less obvious? So I'm going to click home and living category on Printful. And let's just see, like they have a Printful suggests. They have a sports water bottle that could have potential. Pet bowl. Okay, pet bowl is a lot different from what we just looked at. So why don't we try that? So I'm going to close out of the coffee mug and let's say pet bowl. And I'm going to search. We kept the sales at 50 minimum lifetime. So it's filtering out a lot of products that are live on Etsy, but haven't crossed a threshold that I think is pretty reasonable in 50 sales. So we can even see how they're marketing these. It looks like sets of these bowls is a popular way of selling them on Etsy, you know, for people that have 2 dogs like myself. But you can see simple custom dog bowl. Custom dog bowl mat is also popular. If you could somehow group the 2 together, that'd probably be really a big hit. But check that out. Just a simple way of kind of designing a simple like cursive font, script font. Another simple little font there as well. So just doing simple text-based designs, letting them add the dog name, maybe the optional paw prints. The cat has been fed. Don't listen to his BS. So they have cat bowls as well getting indexed. Dog bowl set, dog bowl set, dog bowl set. Charlie has been fed. His meows are lies. So I guess this is for people that have the a dog and a cat. Love that. Dinner and drinks. That's a funny one. You guys see this one? So not even personalized here, but if you want to sell dog bowls, you have dinner on one side and drinks on the other, and then you don't have to worry about offering personalization. That's pretty funny. Eat and then drink, another one. Here's another one says nom nom, and the other one says slurp. The one under there says parched, and then the other one says famished. So definitely ways to put your own spin on these things. You could even add personalization to those and just have that be like the base text layer for the design. Jumping back over to Printful though, why don't we see if there's anything else? So it looks like towels might have potential. Okay, maybe we look for, see if any towels are selling on Etsy. I'm willing to bet that there are. Sales all time, we've got 50, but we could up this to maybe 100 sales all time and raise the bar, right, in terms of what we're evaluating. And it looks like the first few listings are printables, so we'll scroll past them. That's going to happen at times. Right here, basketball personalized towel. Looks like this is for students, coaches even. Interesting for basketball players and basketball coaches. This has done 636 sales and almost $7,600 in revenue. And it looks like in December of last year, it did 256 sales in that month. So this is a really nice gift that can be sold. And again, it's like it's a towel at the end of the day, right? We're just framing it as basketball towel. So again, that's like the marketing magic that you and I get to do as the sellers, right? With Printful having our backs for the fulfillment. Scrolling down, by the way, you can see additional things. They even have, I love this. So Alura has the ability to analyze customer feedback and literally show us using AI and show us what customers like about specific products. So for this basketball towel, it is currently on Etsy right now, scanning the reviews and going to tell us what customers like most. Okay, so it's done reading and aggregating the reviews. The AI says customers appreciate this product for its high quality, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. High quality. Many reviews highlight the excellence, quality of the towels, including the material and embroidery. By the way, Printful does offer embroidery on specific products, not all products. I do not believe that the towels here, yeah, it's only sublimation, but many products on Printful offer embroidery, and they are expanding that over time too. So it wouldn't surprise me if eventually the towels were able to be embroidered. But this could probably still sell with or without the embroidery too. Fast shipping. Numerous customers mentioned the quick turnaround time and fast delivery. Customer service. Reviewers frequently commended the prompt and helpful customer service. Accurate description. Great gift. Many customers noted that the towels make perfect gifts for various occasions, especially for sports teams. So the AI picked up on that. Customization. The ability to personalize the towels is highly appreciated. And positive recipient feedback, saying that, you know, the children and team members love them. So that's another thing, guys. Selling to sports players opens the door for sports teams, you know, for them to buy one for everybody on the team. And that's something that probably goes hand in hand with not only sports, but the personalized aspect. I don't know why I can't speak today. All right, next up, wooden towel holder. So scroll past that. Personalized kitchen towel, interesting. Dish towel. And if you're taking notes like kitchen towel, dish towel, etc., write those down They're going to make great tags, but also just great ways of framing your product to appeal to a broad audience especially when there's crossover like that, right? So here are some additional ones. It looks like this might be selling because of the art. Maybe people like the art. You've got like a bee, happy. You've got like a small town. You've got the flowers, the Nantucket basket, Boston flour sack, Blue Jays, etc. So there's a lot of different ways to go about selling towels on Etsy is the real takeaway here. So let's go back and we'll go back to home and living and let's see what we've got. Stationery, towels, wall art, drinkware, coasters. How about coasters, right? That's something random. I'm always trying to think like a little bit outside the box, go against the grain a little bit, sell something that people aren't necessarily selling. So let's go back over here to Alura, click out of towels and type in coaster. And how about sales? We just keep it at 100 and see what happens. After realizing that I misspelled coaster, I fixed it and now we have search results. Love that. You can make fun of me in the comments if you want. Personalized bar sign coasters. So if you want to say like, in this case, they said Nick's bar. Maybe people that have bars in their homes, right? Like for when they have people over. I like that idea. And that's just a simple templated design where you can change where it says Nick's to anybody's name that purchases them, right? It looks like another huge spike in December. 41 sales in December 2023. So again, making, great personalized gifts. Personalized anniversary party coasters. Guys, this is why Alura is so powerful. Pair it with a company like Printful that can fulfill these products. You never even have to touch them. You literally have them send their photo. I mean, look how simple that Etsy listing is. It's just a photo of, an elderly couple is celebrating an anniversary, and it says upload your own photo on one of them. Simple enough. But they also expanded their keywords to say things like custom photo pulp board, which I don't know what that is, bridal shower, birthday party, etc. Personalized wedding coasters after that. After that wedding word search game, love that idea. And guys, if it has the W word, as I learned this year in May when I got married, if it has the W word, wedding, you can pretty much double the price, if not triple. So I'm just saying you could probably command a higher price point. There's some custom coasters made from corks, also in German, interesting. Initial and name personalized mug and coaster. So perhaps that's something you could offer, the mug and the coaster combo, right? With the personalization. Some more of these cork coasters. I mean, even if it's a cork coaster, you could still look at the niche and then just apply that to your coasters fulfilled by Printful here. Oh, these are cork back coasters. They just don't have that look, the brown look. But yeah, personalized little drawings of like the family, mom, dad, the kids, and their names. So that's interesting. Interesting that we're getting a lot of German products as well. So in terms of coasters though, interesting. Wow. What is that material? It's like the slate. Yeah, slate coasters. And they have the ability to print on them. I mean, there's things people do that to stand out. You know what I mean? Another massive spike in December. They spiked in March and they spiked in May as well. And I mean, it's any personalization. So you can use your imagination to what people might have been doing it. Like in May, Mother's Day, June, Father's Day, etc. Design your own coaster. Oh, that's a template. Okay. Is that a template? Yeah, it is. That's a Canva template. Interesting. They're charging 20 bucks for that. 41 sales a month. Interesting. All right. So coasters, I think also are a win. We definitely got some good ideas. Right at the top, I'd say we had like a really nice back-to-back-to-back lineup. The custom bar coasters, the anniversary coasters, the wedding coasters, and then the wedding word search coaster so people can play while they're at their seat at the wedding, I guess. Jumping back over to Printful. What else is there? I mean, there's so many. We could go into like pet products, I guess. Everybody loves their pets. Pet collars is one. Pet bandanas, pet leashes, right? So maybe we even do custom dog leash and see what that yields. I had to revise the lifetime sales down a bit to get results. And it looks like there's a lot of these key holders getting indexed on these similar search terms. But here we go. So dog collar pops up first. $19 price point. Pretty nice. Obviously offering the dog name. Leash adjustable with doggy ditty. I don't know what that is. This one, another collar. It looks like the leashes, a lot of them are the little hooks, the clasps. And then a lot of these are like custom wooden signs where I guess you can hang up the collar and the leash. So, hey, I mean, this is why we conduct product research, guys. Just because we can sell it through Printful does not mean that we should. Also, because it costs almost nothing to do, maybe you should test the waters. It doesn't look like there's a lot of competition on it. That could be a function of nobody trying to sell it, or a function of lack of demand. In terms of the leash, it looks like there's significant competition on the collars though. And that's probably indicative of, you know, they're popular, you know what I mean? And maybe people, like, what it really comes down to is, are dog owners going to Etsy and searching for custom leash, or are they searching for custom collar? Like, maybe the custom leash is something that you offer as an upsell to people who buy the custom pet collars, which of course Printful also offers. You see what I'm saying, guys? This is why we do this research. I think the video's been going on pretty long at this point, but just one last thing to illustrate, like, let's say that we don't worry about the product type up front, and we just want to say, hey, I want to sell dog products, but I want to sell like really high potential dog products. We can literally go to the search bar, type in dog, okay, and then in terms of like all-time sales, maybe we do all-time revenue. I mean, just to switch it up. So all-time revenue minimum $25,000. Okay, now that's not profit, it's revenue, but I'm sure there's dog products that have done plenty of, you know, 25K is probably nothing in this niche. So now you're getting lots of ideas spanning across multiple product types. And if you need to, just go over here to Printful and you can go and try to find it. It looked like the #1 bestseller is custom pet shirt, where you're able to take the, well, it looks like the customer's buying it, sending a photo of the pet. It gets cartoonized, put on the shirt along with the name of the dog. Of course, Printful offers clothing products as well. You can see the t-shirts here, typically ranging from around $8 to $9 for fulfillment, right? And different depending on the shirt. Okay. Personally, like the Gildan 5000, if you're looking for a budget shirt, I have Printful Business. Okay. So $8.45 with Printful Growth. This is not my normal Printful account. This is the one I use for recording videos, but I get an even better price than that. Custom pet portraits, custom dog tag, personalized for the dog. You saw the key holders, which is something that was not on my radar. I don't know if Printful fulfills those. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Custom engraved pet ID. There's the dog bowl, right? Here's a dog hoodie. Dog metal wall art with LED. Love that idea. Dog basket. Dog name on succulents. I mean, damn, they've got it all here. The wall art, right? Wall art. We've got ornaments. It's crazy, but you know, at this point, we're already halfway through 2024. We're closing in on Christmas. We're closer to Christmas than we are to the beginning of the year, which is crazy. Sweatshirts, candles, even candles, guys. Memorial gift, which is not, you know, exciting, but unfortunately, you know, it happens. So in loving memory, you know, the dog paw, the name forever in our hearts. So what did we just do? We're gonna sell print on demand on Etsy. Rather than take shots in the dark, we're gonna leverage the information from Alura that has millions of Etsy products in its database, providing us massive shortcuts. Okay, so instead of us having to launch 100 or a few hundred products on Etsy to figure out what works, we literally just take a shortcut to figuring out the product type, the product niche, what aspects to allow for customization, even shortcuts for the design, right? Because we filter out the losers and only evaluate the winners across multiple niches and product types. You guys get what I'm saying? Made possible by Alura. We use that in conjunction with Printful, who of course has our back with fulfillment. Next thing you know, guys, we've got a winning Etsy shop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please let the YouTube algorithm know by hitting that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another new video.